Good morning, everybody. It's Greg Fritz from Silet, coming to you from Stanton, California. We're at City Collision Center. We're about ready to do some training on the Silet bench with the Chameleon. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we got. Okay, so here we are inside. We got the technicians getting ready to set up. Right now we're working on a Ford Mustang electric car. See, it's busy in here, right? Everybody's got a little job going on here. We're setting up to the database sheet right here. Suspension in. All right.
Yeah, we this is regular, and that's for the
These are the short ones, and these are the long ones. These are more of the standard ones, like these, for bolting those down. That's your standard, and you got a long and a short. So that is for going through a block through the plate into the cross member. That would be just into the cross member, and that one would be just into the plate.
Okay, folks, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this Ford Mustang electric car, BEV, battery electric vehicle, as a test base for the Chameleon and the training today. All right, so the points that we're going to use the jigs for are going to be the cradle mounting points, all right? And we're going to use this point right here. We're going to go in here and we're going to use this point up here. And then we're going to go to the front of the car. And we're going to use the rear of the front cradle. And we're going to use the central point of the front cradle. And then we'll decide. There's no weight up here, but there is another cradle mounting point clear up inside there. I don't know if you can see the bolt. Just about like so. You can see that bolt up there. Okay, sorry. As I mentioned, this is just a test car for the training purposes. There's no damage on this car, we can see. And I'm not expecting to find any, but it's a 2022 Mustang Mach-E. I'm sorry, folks, I can't decipher for you, but no, you're fine. Just keep going. We're setting up for diagnostics, as we mentioned before. Gentlemen are getting all the sliding blocks located in their positions and set to their length and width. And then we'll start building some jigs.
Always match up your numbers, because sometimes there's other fixtures that are in there that are like in the center, they'll have a higher number.
1, 2, 3, and then right here
63.
Yeah, that's 60, right?
Yeah.
And then you go hold on. No, that's 5. That's 50 something. So you go 63. You see that?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This?
So 63.
That was already done.
And then you gotta go
63,
70.
41 and 46.
Well, look right here, Richard.
Yeah, you want to check it?
70.
41, 46.
46.
One.
Okay, yeah,
So,
Espérate, te voy a preguntar. Explícame, por favor, no como digo.
nada, fuimos a medir el tornillo porque el que tenía original no entraba. Está muy chico y el tornillo más grande es número 21. Entonces venimos a agarrar uno que entrara en el tornillo. Ya nos dio la medida ahí. El número 10, el número 1 son 10 y es 9.5. Entonces lo tienes que bajar, aquí está en 10 y tienes que bajar la mitad. Es 9.5.
A la mitad del espacio.
Ese es 9.5 y en el número 1 es 10. Se va a cotorrear con nosotros y vino a agarrar a Javillo.
Okay. Looks like they have the bench prepared, ready to lower the car. They're taking a peek to see if they can tell which points they're going to be aiming for. We'll come back to you in just a second and show you the car going down. Well, folks, hey, it's Greg Fritz from Select coming to you from City Collision Center here in Stanton, California. We're about done with our training for the week, and I just wanted to tell you, everybody, thanks for watching our videos. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. We'd sure love some comments from you. I haven't seen any comments, but thank you for watching, and have a great day. Take care.